I get high and make moms cry. I've been taking pictures and video of dozens of families, their homes, businesses, all over West Georgia. If that isn't enough, I shamelessly and relentlessly try to make as many women cry as possible by combining hand-chosen, royalty-free music with emotionally gripping cinematic moments of their families that I've captured. As an FAA licensed drone pilot, I can fly at altitudes up to 400 feet above ground level and gain authorization to fly in restricted airspaces within the metro Atlanta area.
Any realtors, business owners, brides-to-be, or mothers wishing to preserve the innocence of their children are urged to report any potential shootings to Dominant Productions, LLC at 678-783-8822.